大嘅 sample，你嗰啲嘢係真係自己講咗有講嘅。
So basically they found someone that didn't
廿八
do
號
the job.
嗰個好似星期二重陽節之前嗰一日，
廿八號係啊。
佢哋有個唔知 app 嗰啲嘢去
launch. I give you the details in then I send you invitations. They had lunch and then they had like they had a talk. 我揾咗幾個人係講 health fitness related 嘅嘢。咁佢有啲朝頭早就會好 medical clinical。咁我俾個 run down 你就 next week。
跟住喺度睇下
我要咩話？
啱到啦，我哋都係落去下。
Oh, they're the other side.
唔需要喺下。